Hello guys! As mentioned in these videos, learning English is so much easier when you learn from phrases or sentences, not single words. In today's video, we have some common questions for our daily conversations. Let's get started.
شكله هلا تستنج هلو.
First, the very basic question. What's your name? What's your name? If you want to ask people for their names in a very informal way, you can say, you are. If you want to know someone's age, you never say, what's your age? You better say, how old are you? How old are you? How old are you? If you want to ask about someone's nationality, we rarely use what is your nationality. We don't use it that much. But we usually use where do you come from? Where do you come from? Where do you come from? Or where are you from? Where are you from? If you want to know someone's job, don't say what is your job. You better say what do you do? So, what do you do? To ask people about their favorite things, you can simply say, what is your favorite? For example, what's your favorite book? What's your favorite song? What's your favorite movie? And so on. Hello, can I speak to Mr. James, please? Hello, can you put Mr. James on, please? Hello, is John there, please? Can I leave a message? To ask about the time, you can simply say, excuse me, what time is it? What time is it? Or, excuse me, do you have the time? Do you have the time? What time does the cafe open? What time does the cafe open? What time does the cafe close? What time does the cafe close? When were you born? When were you born? When were you born? When should we meet? When should we meet? When should we meet? To ask about the weather, you can simply say, what's the weather like? What's the weather like? Or, what is it like outside? What is it like outside? Is it rainy? Is it sunny? If you are interested in movies, here are some questions for you. What's your favorite kind of movies? What's your favorite kind of movies? Or, what's your favorite movie genre? What's your favorite movie genre? How often do you watch movies? How often do you watch movies? Who is your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actress? What's playing tonight? What's playing tonight? Shopping, shopping, shopping. Well, if you want to ask about the price of a product, you can say, how much is it? How much is it? Or, how much does this cost? How much does this cost? You can also say, is this on sale? Is this on sale? Does this come in different colors? Does this come in different colors? For example, does this come in blue? Does this come in different sizes? Does this come in different sizes? For example, does this come in small? Does this come in small? Can I try it on? Can I try it on? Excuse me, where is the fitting room? where's the fitting room? Or where's the changing room? Excuse me, where's the changing room? Can I make an order? Can I make an order? Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? If you want to ask about the special dish, you can say, what's today special? What's today special? Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? If you want to ask about someone's appearance, you can say, what does he or she look like? What does he look like? For example, what does he look like? He is tall. She is short. She has dark brown hair. If you want to ask about someone's personality, you can say, what is he or she like? What's he like? What's he like? He is patient. She is friendly. Excuse me, how can I get to the supermarket? How can I get to the supermarket? Or, excuse me, is there a supermarket nearby? Is there a supermarket nearby? Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Why don't you have lunch with me? Why don't you have lunch with me? How about joining me for a walk? How about joining me for a walk? Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for part 2. Stay safe.